Have you ever thought of making a window that can block the light without curtains from blind or even electricity or any other form of energies? Yes, it's called sand blind, and I made one. It's a window here. Just by tilting it upside down, the sand will come down from the container and it will cover, well, I have to shake it to make it happen faster, the whole window, so no light can go through it. And when you want to have a light in, you turn it again the other way. So here in the sides are where the hinges would be placed. I've used two photo frames. As you can see, one of them, the glass is stuck with glue, and then I put these wires, which is 2 millimeter in diameter, and the other glass will go on top. Therefore, there will be a gap of 2 millimeter between these two glasses. That's where the sand will go in and cover the whole surface. At the bottom of the frame here, I removed some of the wood or plastic, depends on your frame, or even metal, to make a space for the sand to be collected. Remember, the volume of this space at the bottom should be slightly greater than the volume of the space between these two glasses. So you have to do a little bit of math to calculate the volumes. So I did same for the other one as well. You can see I removed extra bit of this frame, so when it goes here, it will create extra space for the sand. After you seal the glass in place, fill it with sand. So remember, the sand that you use depends on the gap between the two glasses. For me, this fine sand is suitable. So fill that with sand before you place the other part on top and seal the whole window. So this way you can check if anywhere leaks or sand is losing sand from any corner or not. So I have modified the design slightly, so made the bottom container with plastic to make it visible for you guys, so you can see when the sand goes in and out, like this. I've used food containers, these plastic ones, to make another container. So now it's time to add sand to it. From this part, I kept this open. After I put the sand in and I checked it is the right amount, then I would seal this part and our design is complete. Here it is completed with sand inside. As you can see now, the sand is down, is blocking the view, so you can't see my face now, but you can now. Okay, so just by tilting the window and make it upside down, the sand will go all inside this container like this. And I hope that you can see my face. At least the light will go through the window now. Okay, so then turn it the other way, and slowly the sand, it's not actually very slowly, you can see it happen very quickly. And I put more sand inside the container than it will fill the glass, just in case. So make sure the whole part is covered. Sand blind. Simple as that. We can make this in a bigger scales for the houses, so we don't need curtains or blinds. I hope you enjoyed it. Make one for yourself, for your home. If not for your home, as a project for your school, that would be great project. Your science teacher will love it, and I won't tell them that it comes from me. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.